In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Terraform on your system. So to start with, on Google's website, I'll be searching for install Terraform. This is the link from where you can download the Terraform. So we'll just click on open. In here at present, we can see the latest version is 0.12. So if you come a little bit down, you can see different platforms. So based on which system are you planning to use, you can download that specific binary. So for my case, I'm trying to install it on Windows, which is for 64-bit. So I'll just select this. And with this, the file will get downloaded. Now, I will just extract this file and give it a location. I'm going to save this in my C drive, program files. Let me create a new folder for Terraform. And just extract it here. So now my binary is extracted. After extracting this, you have to define your system variables. So we'll just search for environment env. You will get an option for edit system environment variables. Then click on environment variables. And from the system variables section, search for the path. Click on edit. And from here, click on new. And this is where you have to define the path of your Terraform. Click on new and paste this specific path. And then we'll click OK. Okay. Okay. And that's all. That's done. After this, I'll just open PowerShell. You can even check this in command prompt. And from here, if I type Terraform version, I can see Terraform is successfully installed. That's all for now.